Hi, this is Chad with Sherry Vans. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Toyota Sienna that we just got in with a manual rear ramp. So let's have a look. Manual rear ramp. Pull that handle there. I'm going to release the ramp. And then this just folds up like that. This has two little jump seats here, which I'm not going to fool with only one hand holding this camera, but one of these red handles, you can pull and it will fold this seat down, the two of them. So this van can be either 7 passenger or 5 plus the wheelchair. This has the powered Q restraints in the front, so you just want to make sure the van's running. You got that flipped on to red, and then you can pull these things out, push the chair in here, and then you hit this switch off and they're gonna lock then, not come out. Turn the switch on, then they do come out. Then they lock into place. It's pretty cool. Other two Q restraints are right there. They attach in those little spots on the floor. A little lock here for that too. Lock it. It's a good looking van. It's a black metallic. This is hybrid. I forgot to mention that. Got brand new tires on it. I'm just gonna do a lap. Look like I got this thing close a lot. Do a lap around here, point out any blemishes that I can see in it. Passenger side looks good. I don't see any scratches or dents. Although I'd probably take these running boards off. Those look pretty cheesy. I don't like those running boards at all. Yeah. Talk to your salesperson. Hopefully that's me, but I would have those taken off. Front looks good. Driver's side looks good. I don't see any dents or dings or scratches or anything like that. Does have a power seat for the front. Power windows, power locks, auto headlights, Bluetooth controls, cruise controls, wheel tilts and telescopes. Again, this is a hybrid. Let's have a reverse camera on here. Has 32,405 miles on it. Looks like you can open those doors from here, or you can do it from the key fob. Not sure how to do it from the key fob, but yeah, I don't know. You can do it with the key fob though. Little mirror here where you can see your passengers in the back. So no navigation. Just have radio, AM, FM, Sirius satellite. Not super familiar with the Toyotas. Just heard the gas motor kick out though on the hybrid. So, pretty nice van. Again, this is Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. This is a 2023 Toyota Sienna with a manual rear ramp. If you got any questions on this van, please reach out to me. I'm Chad the Van Man. My personal contact info is beneath this video. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks, folks.